kidding me.
Yeah. They got him there.
I'd be so embarrassed when it's a 2-pound weight.
It does look like a real dogfish.
That's a halibut.
Oh yeah.
I'm the lucky one.
Top of my head.
Got it.
Easy. Go easy. Don't come too far back on it. Nice. Steady pressure. There he is. There he is. Just something back there. Get him still. He's gone. He's gone. Go easy on it. So when you come down on it, just nice and easy. Just like that. That's perfect. Nice and easy. You know he's going to take off again. Let him go. There we go. Up and toward me now. Up and toward me.
Gotcha. No. Got him.
There you go.
That one hit it twice. There he is. You got him. You got him.
Yep. Oh, you got off.
Oh no.
Was. No float.
There you go.
I'm hot right now.
You're getting them now.
Can you hold this up? Are you got?
Hang on, you hang on, dude. Bring him over, I'll net him. You just be careful. You're gonna have to walk up river. There's some rocks, but don't lose the fish. Now there's rocks right in front of you. You see him?
Yeah.
Oh, you got him.
Can you hold it? I'll go. All right. Thank you, sir.
You need to cut that branch.
Oh, there we are. Let's go. Let's go. Can you help me? There he is.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Fish down there and gets him a hold of him with his hind legs, lifts him up to his front legs, and then eats them.
Nice
Small
job, Ian.
silver, but we'll take it. Woo! Usually when they're bigger, Ian's not more of a fighter. That's a scout right there. He usually comes ahead.
Yeah, the thing is, if you let him go, you don't see another one.
There, I got one. I got a fish.
Sean?
Mm-hmm. Fishing.
Hey. Just keep your hand on the reel. Don't change it.
There you go. Good job.
I got one. I think I got him good.
Oh, don't get him out of the
Get
rope.
him out of that.
There you go.
Look at that, Joey.
He's right
That's
over.
it.
Oh, wow.
No, don't fish over there now.
Yeah, we're done. I know. Will you give me those videos you're taking back there? There's a couple back now.
I got one.
Fish on.
I got one. Fish. Fish.
Fish on. Fish on.
You won't get him around here, so you just drag him right to it. Drag him over this way, buddy. I'll get him here. Still got a little. There.
Here it comes. You're good.
He's right there.
Yeah,
Thank you.
good. That was great.
Dad just lost one. Going about the trunk and all everybody died. There's one. He's right here, he's right here.
Lift him up, straight up so I can see him.
Thank you, sir.
Nice work. That's a kill.
Can I hold him?
Yeah, you wanna hold him?
You ever caught one of these in Virginia? Nope. These don't exist in Virginia. Alright, go. What do you want to do with them? What was your first time, Dale?
Are you hooked in the tail?
Yeah, somehow he looked good and then all of a sudden I think he lost him and rehooked him.
Canary, yeah, it's a type of rockfish.
That's not the same as